Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming availability and permissions. First, make sure your game is updated and online features are active. This prevents missing roster items. Next, check whether Edge is part of your edition or requires a DLC purchase so you don't chase the wrong method. Finally, enable community creations and allow public downloads. Once done, you can search user-made Edge entries immediately and avoid wasting time recreating him from scratch. You now acquire Edge via the fastest route available. If he's paid content, purchase the DLC or Season Pass and confirm the download so the roster updates. If not, use community creations. Search Edge, sort by rating, and preview thumbnails. This saves time. Once you find a good entry, download the CAW plus any moveset and entrance packs. Make sure to also grab a high-quality attire and finisher set so his behavior and look match. You finish by installing and verifying Edge in your game. Import the downloaded creation into your roster, assign the downloaded moveset and entrance, then save him to your stable. This ensures the package stays intact. Next, run a quick exhibition or universe match to test timing, finishers, and AI behavior. Make adjustments to attributes if needed. If something fails, clear the game cache, re-enable community creations, and re-download the package. That usually fixes missing assets or corrupted imports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.